It's February 17, 2022. I may have disappointed some of you because yesterday was the date I chose to release my song. Not release, just post my song. I don't know if it is a song or not. There is no music in that. I didn't had enough knowledge to take that decision, but I will complete one song. Well, I will study about the elements of music, how to make music, and basics and all as soon as I get time. I'm stuck in these examinations, so maybe one day that song will finally be completed. Okay, I woke up and the first thing I did was check the views of the video I posted last night, and I saw there was 20 views, and the views I expected was one, and that was of mine itself that I viewed that video last night. But there was 20 views. My mind filled with positivity, and I thought that my social exams will go good. Though there is no relation between YouTube channel and social exam, but there was connection of positivity. So I thought my social exam will go good. So I reached school. My father dropped me to the school, and there was sports standing on the gate of the school. Not on the gate, but beside the gate, or just you know what I mean. Not on the gate, but just this is gate. He was standing here. So he said that अब अच्छे लग रहे हो. Then again he said कि wrong shoes क्यों पहन के रखे. So I said sir जूते नहीं है मेरे पास. So he was like पापा के सामने तो झूठ मत बोल. Then I replied सच में नहीं है. So after that, I went to the examination hall. Not hall, it was a classroom only. I don't know why these school people call it hall when it is a classroom. Okay, I went to the examination hall, and there was only 9th class students in that room. So it was a bonus for cheating. Bonus for cheating. I didn't cheat. To be honest, I didn't cheat, and not a single word. But it was bonus for cheating, because when you cheat in the normal examinations, these are stupid 7th, 6th, 7th, 8th class people who complains to the teacher or chugli kar dete hain. Ma'am, this bhaiya is cheating with this bhaiya. Hut. So this was bonus for everyone. Everyone means who wanted to cheat, or okay, you understand what everyone means. So I was sitting in the best position. I mean the best seat and person can get for cheating. Though I did not cheat, and because my right side there was my friend, a good friend who can tell me as many answers as possible, and then at front there was one guy from my class who supported cheating, and at the back there was one guy I didn't knew him, or just knew his face, and he was letting me see all his answers. I will tell you, letting him see incident case afterwards. So the paper was of 3 hours, and everyone completed it at the average of 2 hours, and there was 1 hour to kill, and it was hard for me to sit for 1 hour idle, do nothing. So what I did was I intentionally write slow, and so I completed my paper at 2:40 intentionally. Though I could have done it in 2 hours, 2:40 hours I completed that paper. So I'd write for 1 hour 20 minutes. Then I took a break of 10 minutes and did nothing. I take breaks because I just take breaks. Then I wrote some for 20 or 25 minutes. Then I took a break. The class was so boring, and I was like seeing at my back guy's copy, just reading his answers. I was too ahead of him, but I was just reading his answers because I had to do something. And I can't resist, so I was just seeing his answer. The teacher said that you should honestly give question paper answers, honestly take examinations if you want to know how capable you are. I was not cheating. Then I said to the teacher that I know everything. I'm just looking because the paper is so boring. Though I didn't do many things. Then after the examination, a guy from my class asked, "Ki, why did you say that paper was too easy and you knew all the answers?" I said, I said, it's so obvious. Why can't you understand? If I say I don't, my paper is not good, or I don't know many answers, the invigilator will obviously inspect me for that I am cheating, or suspect me for that I am cheating. So I had to tell a lie to prevent from the blame of cheating. So let's see some questions from the question paper. First question was, how can you say that the liberals were not Democrats? I never said this. I never said that liberals were Democrats. Did I? No, I didn't. This question is wrong. How can my answer be correct? Though my answer was correct, I knew this one. And there was one question. What do you understand by public interest litigation? I was like, public interest litigation? Sound dangerous. It's related to civics, but what it is? So in order to make sure I attempted that, then I figured out that public interest litigation is PIL. But I didn't know what PIL was. So the only thing that I wrote in the answer was the short form of public interest litigation is PIL. In order to say that, I attempted that question. And there was one question. Why does the rainfall decrease from east to west in North India? Where I wrote the answer. I wrote the answers as questions. Why does the question paper have problem with everything? In the second line I wrote, why can't question paper mind its own business? Third line I wrote, ask rainfall. Yes, why does the rainfall decrease from east to west in North India? Ask rainfall. Then I cut the whole answer, and then I wrote that clouds go. I don't want to talk about that. After in 20 minutes or something in the examination, someone told our teacher that there is one answer in the question paper. I was like, where it is. But I did not find of what answer was of which question. So this is what happened today. See you tomorrow.